Okay, real talk. I've been using Claude AI for a while now. And honestly, this thing is on a completely different level. Not hype, not clickbait, just straight up facts. So buckle up, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why thousands of people are ditching ChatGPT and switching to Claude. This is the digital brief. Let's get into it. So first things first, what even is Claude? Claude is an AI assistant built by a company called Anthropic. Now you've definitely heard of ChatGPT. Everyone has. But Claude? This is the one that the people who actually work in tech are quietly using every single day. And once you understand why, you're going to get it immediately. Okay, so here's what makes Claude genuinely different. And I mean, different. Number 1, it reads. Like actually reads. You can throw a massive PDF at it, a long legal contract, a 50-page research paper. Claude breaks it down perfectly, summarizes it, pulls out exactly what you need. Most AI tools completely choke on long documents. Claude doesn't even flinch. That alone is a game changer. Number 2, the writing quality. Bro, the writing quality is insane. Claude writes like an actual human being, not that robotic, obviously generated by AI stuff that everyone can spot from a mile away. We're talking nuanced, natural, actually good writing. Emails, scripts, captions, blog posts, video ideas. Whatever you need, Claude makes you sound like an absolute pro every single time. Number 3, and this one is my personal favorite. Claude has something called projects. Think of it like giving Claude a permanent memory of you, your brand, your tone, your audience, your style. And every single time you come back, it already knows all of that. No more re-explaining yourself from scratch every new conversation. For creators and business owners, that is huge. Now here's the big question everyone always asks. Should you actually switch to Claude? Look, if you're a content creator, yes. If you're a freelancer, yes. If you're a student, yes. If you run any kind of business online, 100% yes. It's free to start. The paid plan is genuinely worth every single penny. And honestly, after using it for this long, Claude has become one of the most used apps on my entire phone. The barrier to creating things online in 2026 is basically zero. And Claude is a huge reason why. That's your digital brief for today. Short, sharp, zero fluff, just what you actually need to know. If this video helped you out even a little bit, hit that subscribe button, because we break down the best tools and tech trends every single week right here on this channel. And drop a comment below. Are you Team Claude or Team ChatGPT? I genuinely want to know. Let's settle this debate once and for all. See you in the next one. Peace.